Thanks for tuning in to Mastering Meta Robots, a step-by-step guide by SEOPress. In this series, we'll take you through the process of using SEOPress, the top SEO plugin for WordPress, to manage meta robots for posts, taxonomies, and even site-wide configurations. You're watching the SEOPress channel. Let's get started. For our final video, we're going to explore some advanced site-wide meta robots options in SEOPress. These options give you total control over how your entire site is indexed by search engines. Go to Titles and Metas, then Advanced, and be mindful here because these settings affect your whole site. Some of the options include Noindex to exclude the entire site from search engine results. Nofollow to stop search engines from following links on all pages. Noimageindex to prevent image indexing site-wide. Noarchive if you don't want cached versions of your pages appearing in search results. There are more options, like controlling pagination or even attachment pages, but make sure these align with your overall SEO strategy. Once you're set, save your changes and clear the cache if needed. With SEOPress's advanced settings, you can fine-tune your site-wide meta robots options to fit your overall SEO strategy, giving you confidence that your site is fully optimized. And that's it! You've just learned how to manage your meta robots tags like a pro. Remember, the key to SEO is control. Control over how your content is seen, indexed, and followed by search engines. With SEOPress and these settings, you're in the driver's seat. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing with SEOPress.